Good morning, friends. Welcome to Daybird Aviaries. My name is Robert. I'm the bird master here. I've got several little baby birds to feed this morning. I want to welcome you to our channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. Take the time to look around, check out some of our other videos. Please consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I really would appreciate it. So let's get right on into feeding these baby birds. So it's really important to have all of your supplies ready and at hand when you start to feed baby birds. Have your formula, and we use the Hagen Tropican. Have some paper towels. Have your syringes and your thermometers, whatever it is that you're going to be using. Have them nearby. The very most important thing that you're going to need is a Jeremiah. If you don't have one, then I strongly urge you to go out and get one now. You can normally find a suitable Jeremiah at a GameStop or at Walmart in the Lego aisle or anywhere video games are sold. Maybe a comic book store. But you're definitely going to need a 12 or 13-year-old Jeremiah to help out with everything. It really is the most important tool at your disposal.
Did you just come to talk?
The very most important thing that you could possibly
You
have.
just come to think to you.
Just hand me the teeniest, tiniest little baby bird, okay?
Okay.
So I've got everything set up in our bedroom again. If you think you'd like a brooder tour, then let me know. No, not that. Put that back. Well, we hope that's a macaw egg. We hope that it will eventually hatch. Here's our little teeny tiny baby. It is a cockatiel. So I'm going to take out, just like that. Gemma, can you put a new paper towel in? And look, I need it left long like this. So take two of the little pieces and then fold them in half. That's going to work best for us. This is a little cockatiel, you see, and this paper towel has been in here since yesterday, last night. I change them out 2 or 3 times a day, depending. Yep, that's perfect, Jeremiah. See, I told you, you've got to get a Jeremiah to help. This formula is about 100 degrees. That's what is that, 5 cc pipette. So there's what he ate. Look at that sweet little baby. Got him all full, maybe just a drop too much, but that's okay. He's going to digest that very soon. Isn't that just the sweetest thing? Jeremiah, can you hand me the next 2 babies, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. You're awesome. And so you got him. He's all nice and clean again. Look at that. Okay, now you
Not good at staying in the bowl.
Here, you can put those back.
This one.
That one. These are the baby Indian Ringnecks. The dad is a blue Palladino, and the mom is a creamino. So these can be blue or turquoise Palladinos, or blue or turquoise Pallids. It may be an albino. It may be a creamino. Creamino is an albino that is turquoise instead of blue, so it has that creamy coloration on it. Here. There we go. Sweet little babies. Here, let's give you just a little bit more. Yeah. I'm giving them 2 pipettes apiece. Now I will eventually, when I'm feeding bigger babies or more babies, I will switch over to a syringe. But for right now, this is working very well. Can you get me some more paper towels, Jeremiah? No. Of course, you can do this all by yourself, and you don't necessarily have to have a Jeremiah. You can have a Catherine or a willing Daniel or a willing Jonathan if you can wake him up. Here
I
are
think you're
the
being too specific.
here are the baby ringnecks.
Dad, I think you're being too specific.
I've never been to the Pacific Ocean. They still have some poopy on their head. That happened in the nest box. I'm not going to scratch that off. I could possibly take a Q-tip and try to get that off. It's going to come off on its own. I promise you it will. But look at that sweet baby. You can clearly see that the esophagus is on the right-hand side of the bird, coming down into the crop. The trachea, the air pipe is over here on the left-hand side. You never want to get any kind of formula or liquid into that. So let's get that last baby out, okay, Jeremiah? Here, let's put those two back. We've got one more baby ringneck to feed. And I've got just enough formula left in here for him. So here's this little baby. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Over here. Over here. This one is albino. His parents is a green daddy and a cinnamon blue mother. And the dad is split to Latino and to blue. Here, here, here. And because I know the genetics of the parents, I know that this one is a girl. I think I said little boy just a moment ago. But this one is a little girl. Here, baby. We're going to be keeping her, and she's going to need a name. Now, if I leave it up to Catherine, it's going to be something like Snow or Snowball or Cotton Ball. So maybe we can come up with some more creative names before Catherine makes a cotton name stick. My very first albino was named Pearl. We have motorcycles on the highway out there. Did you hear that?
I did.
You did? Yeah. Come on, baby. Here, that's it. That's all. Oh, I'm making a mess, aren't I? Here. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Your support means the world to me. If y'all want to see this baby up close, look. You see that? See those beautiful red eyes? Here, put your wings down.
Dad,
I just love it to bits and pieces. Yep.
I was just gonna ignore the fact you called me a tool.
You're not a tool. But if you are, you'd be a very important tool.
You said I'm an important tool.
Yeah.
So you called me a tool.
There you go, baby. Alright, thanks for watching. We love you. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye.